Lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making local stew, native stew, or palm oil stew, whichever one you choose to call it. So let us begin. These are my tomatoes, my scotch bonnets, my bell peppers, and onion. I divided the onion into two. I'll be blending the chunky ones together with the tomatoes and peppers, while the sliced one will be used to fry our stew. So to my pot, I'm adding our red oil. In my village we call it manuri. I think Yoruba they call it ororo. I don't know. This combination is mad. It is mad. Like red oil, with onion is everything, guys. It was making yam to hungry me. It was making yam to hungry me. White yam with this or roasted yam. So guys, enough of the gist. I just added blended tomatoes and peppers. There is no much water, so it's not really that it's not going to take time, so we allow it to fry for like 6 minutes. So look at it. See, after 6 to 7 minutes, look, this is what we have. So we'll come back to season it. Like just your seasoning cube and the salt is fine. No extra seasoning. I just added my seasoning cube and salt. So I'm doing this before adding the catfish, so that I will not need to be stirring that much after I've added the catfish. So this is my catfish. I've already cleaned. It's a kind of soft, so that is why I'm adding it at this point. So I'm also going to use more. Though I've already cooked my pomo, so the pomo is already tasty, and I'm adding it now so that the stew, everything will enter, as the stew is trying to draw from the catfish to bring out all the flavors, all the sweetness from the catfish. Then our pomo is trying to take from the stew. I don't know if you understand. Like the stew is taking from the catfish, right? The pomo is taking from the stew. Oh my god. After I added the catfish, I reduced the heat, so it was cooking on low heat, and I allowed it to cook for extra 5 to 6 minutes. Yeah, I'm back now to add my boiled egg. At this point, I've even turned off the heat. I've turned off this, so I'm just trying to make sure that the eggs are well coated or buried inside the stew, so that the taste of the stew will really get into them. Okay, this is me now reminding you to please subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Like this video now, do click on that and it will sound like this to come. That is to like the video, give it a thumbs up, drop your comment. Well, thank you guys.